Want to know who's been king for soundbars for 11 years straight? Spoiler, it's Samsung, and they're not slowing down. From mind-blowing Dolby Atmos to AI-powered audio, their latest gear is turning your living room into a cinema. Stick around to see why Samsung's crushing it and what's coming in 2025. What's good, audio fans? Welcome back to GadInsider. Samsung just dropped some big news. They've been crowned the world's #1 soundbar brand for the 11th year running, according to Future Source Consulting. With 20.1% of global revenue and a legacy since 2014, they're untouchable. Let's unpack why Samsung soundbars are stealing the show. So what's Samsung doing right? In 2024, they grabbed an 18.4% share of soundbar sales worldwide, and their secret sauce is no secret. It's epic sound. Their flagship HW-Q990D launched last year. It's a beast with 11.1.4 channel Dolby Atmos that makes movies feel like you're in them. It's got Q Symphony tech, syncing perfectly with Samsung TVs for surround sound that hits every angle. Plus, AI-powered audio tweaks the vibe based on your room. It's like having a sound engineer at home. The HW-S800D, their slim lifestyle model, is just as slick, packing big sound into a compact frame. Sources call the Q990D the best Dolby Atmos soundbar of 2024, and others gave the S800D an editor's choice nod for style and power. Why does this matter? Samsung's not just selling soundbars, they're redefining home theater. That 11-year streak proves they deliver what you want: immersive audio, seamless TV integration, and designs that fit any vibe, from minimalist to mega. The HW-Q990D's AI smarts and the S800D's sleek look earned raves from outlets like Newsweek, and posts on social media are buzzing. One fan called it a concert in their living room. Looking to 2025, Samsung's teasing more new AI features, better connectivity, and audio processing that'll push the limits. If you thought 2024 was loud, next year's lineup might just blow the roof off. Alright, let's make it personal. Picture your dream setup with a Samsung soundbar. What's blasting? A Marvel blockbuster with explosions everywhere? Your gaming squad dominating the surround sound? Drop your ultimate audio fantasy in the comments.